video, I'm going to show you how to set up a free markup account so that we can leave feedback for each other on your design. You can comment on certain things that you might want changed or altered, and you can do that specifically in the place and the page or the area of the design that you would like to leave a comment on. So to do this, we want to go to markup.io, sign up for a free account, add your email address, full name and password. You'll need to name your workspace. This can be your business name, whatever you like. Landing in the dashboard, you will find your design within this section because we'll be adding your website here, and it should appear within your dashboard like so. If you have something that you would like to upload and for us to comment on, you can do so here, upload, browse your files within your computer, and you can upload them from there. And then the process is the same. We can leave comments on them. The way we leave comments on it is opening the document. If it's a website, there's two tabs at the top, comment and browse. Browse allows you to use the website like you would any other website, and it loads each of the pages individually. You can then scroll through, read the content, see the layout, the images, etc., and then select comment when you're ready to leave a comment. So say you wanted the background to be a different color, you can add the comment in there. If you wanted to upload a particular picture or file for something that relates to this comment, do so here. You can add a video if you like, using Loom to provide further clarification and details, or you can use, drawing, emojis, that kind of thing to detail what you would like to comment on for ultimate clarity. Heading back to the main dashboard, when a comment is made, it'll list the number of comments here. Comments for the whole document can be viewed here, and you can scroll through them. Once they're resolved, you can resolve it here, and it will be removed and saved in the resolve section if you ever need to go back. The active ones can also be resolved here. You can copy the link, get info, or if you want to click on it, it will provide the information here rather than opening it up within the main section here. If you would like to invite someone to collaborate with you, feel free to send them an invite to your board. You can do so here, add the email address. They'll be sent an email once you select invite. They'll also need to set up their own markup account. It is free for them also, so it might be an idea to just pass on this video as well so they get a good idea of the landscape and what is required of them. If you have a website that you maybe like the design of, or there's an element within a website that you like, feel free to drop the URL in here, add go, and it will add it to your dashboard. You can then open it up just like with your website or other designs, browse the website as any normal website, and then allow comments such as maybe, I would like something like this on my website. Feel free to comment, add it here, and we'll be notified of that as well. One thing to make note of, we also receive emails, so that it's not just in here we're looking for comments, but your email, you will receive an email notification as well. There you have it. If you have any questions, always reach out. We're here to help.